entire makeup collection, and I haven't filmed one ever on my channel. And just letting you guys know that I don't have a lot of makeup. I mean, maybe to some people it might be a lot, but to me I don't think I do. I'm not like super into makeup. I'm not like a makeup artist or a beauty guru on YouTube, so yeah, I don't think I have a lot. But compared to other people, I've seen way more. But I'm also going to show you guys organizational tips because I'm very organized when it comes to makeup, and I like to separate like the products. I know you guys will see, but yeah, if you want to see my makeup collection, then keep on watching. This is how sensitive my skin is. I was literally just like scratching this area. Now it's freaking pink. What? Okay, so this is like my vanity, like my table where I have my brushes and stuff. And over here, this is where I have my whole entire makeup collection. So this, the drawer is right here. This is from Home Depot. I got it online because they did not have it in store, but I had to pick it up in store. So yeah, so I'm gonna like zoom in and get closer so I can start showing you guys what I have in there. Okay, so I organized these by like eyes, lips, face. So in the first drawer, these little dividers, I got these at the dollar store. They are a great way to organize like makeup, and they fit perfectly in the drawers. And you can also use these for like school supplies, like office stuff, or pretty much anything. But so right here I have all of my mascara. This is like my favorite high-end. This is Too Faced. I have Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, and I was obsessed with this. I completely ran out of this. This is the Fully Charged by Pure Cosmetics, and this is, if you've been watching me on YouTube for so long, this is my favorite mascara of all time. This is the Rocket Volume Express, and here I just have my brow products, and I pretty much only use this and the brow gel by Anastasia. And then back here I have like my eyeliners. I don't really use eyeliners, but I just have them there. And then I have fake lashes or false lashes here. And then on this side right here I have single eyeshadows. I don't buy single eyeshadows, but most of these are from, what the heck did I just say? But most of these I got them from my Ipsy bags, and I've been subscribed for so long, for like more than a year, so I've gotten a lot. Like I have the Balm and just like these little ones, you know. And then for this drawer I have all of my makeup palettes. I don't have a lot because I don't really wear eyeshadows. So I have the Blush Nudes, the Revolution palette, I have Naked 3, Modern Renaissance, Naked 2, and just like little random ones underneath here. And then fun fact, this was my very first eyeshadow palette ever. This is the Urban Decay, one of like the Book of Shadows. I think that's what it was called. I don't even remember, but look how cute that is. Hey, you can kind of see me in the mirror. But it has like this little butterfly, and then it had like a speaker right here, like a portable speaker, but I don't remember where I put it. And if you've been like a fan of Urban Decay or like makeup, you will know that these are like the very first like eyeshadows. Like Sin, Missionary, Bust, Lost. But yeah, this was my very first palette, and I don't use it anymore. Obviously, it's been so many years, but I just kept it because, I don't know, just for memories, you know. And then moving on to the third drawer, I have the bigger like divider. So I have all of my lipsticks here. I have ColourPop. I love Maybelline lipsticks. I have a lot of them. Urban Decay, and just like little ones that I got from my Ipsy. I have Marc Jacobs Bite Beauty, my Givenchy, and then here I have like all my eyeliners, and then lip liners. And then I went through a phase a long time ago where I collected a lot of like baby lips chapsticks, so I just have them there. I don't use them anymore, but I don't know, I just kept them there. And this is my newest one. This is the Kat Von D like lipstick, and it's so cute and pretty. Well, it looks black, but it's like dark purple. I don't know, it's not focusing, but the packaging is what gets me. And then at the second drawer of the lips, I have all of my liquid lipsticks. So these are the ones that I want to get rid of. I don't want to use those anymore. But I have a lot of ColourPop. I have Melted. I have Tarteus. I have NYX. I have just like random ones in there. And then here, my lip glosses are kind of growing, like my lip gloss collection. So far I don't have a little like divider like this. But once I start getting more, then I'll probably get one like this as well. But I just have those lip glosses. And then in this drawer, I have all of my like blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. So in this, okay, I feel like this is gonna fall, but in this area right here, I have all of my blushes. So I have ColourPop, Tarte. This is my everyday blush right now. I have Pixie and just little baby like the Balm Cosmetics. And then here I have my bronzers. So I have Tarte Too Faced. This is my favorite bronzer ever, but it shattered, so I still need to get a new one. But this is the one that I've been using. This is the Lisa Frank X Glamour Dolls. I already hit pan. I love this one so much. So then in this one, I just put this little tiny like divider inside of this just to kind of like divide them. And that was like back when I didn't have a lot of highlighters, but now pretty much they grew. So I have all of my highlighters here, and then these two just go in here because they don't fit here in this area. So I have Elf, Tarte, these two. I just keep going back and forth between these two. And then I love this one. This is Milk Makeup, and just little random travel size ones. And then at the very bottom, this is where I have my powders, my concealers, and my primers. I have all my primers here. I have a lot. And then here I have my what do you call that, my concealers. And I bought this thing. It's foundation. I don't use foundation. I just wanted to try this one out. And this one is a Smashbox Camera BB cream. I really love this one, but I haven't used it in a while because I've just been using concealer. That's like my everyday makeup routine. Moving on to the very bottom, I just have like little random stuff, just travel size and just extra stuff. And then that's pretty much it. Down here I have like what am I like out of breath, what the heck. But down here I have like straighteners and curlers and stuff, and then I have like the nail stuff. I used to do my nails all the time. At the very bottom right here I just have a bunch of nail polishes because I used to do my nails all the time, but I mean I still do. I just have like this entire collection. But that is my whole entire makeup collection. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next one.